Okay, okay, everyone. So, I'm making this checkers engine, but it's a pawn checkers. So, anyways, so this is my move on the computer. So that's my move. Now, these are our moves. So you want to move A6. So it's A6 to B5. So you want to move. You want to move there. So 6 to B5. So you move there. And as you can see, I already moved my move. It's my next move. Now your next. You want to move. So you want to move. Anyways, what had happened? What had happened is so you want to move B5 C4. So B5 C4. B5 C4. So you want to move B5 C4. So I move B5 C4. So I moved B5 C4. So I moved wherever I moved. I don't know. So anyways, you moved right there. So this is the part. Oh, power mode. I got it. Continue. I got to recharge my fucking phone and share a little power mode. So anyways, so I got to this part. Now this is your next move. B7. So B7 to right there. To A6. So B7 to A6. So I got this part. So that's your move, B7 to then I move wherever I move. So anyways, move back. Move back. So we'll go back to start. So anyways, I did like the first move and I was like, it's gonna take me like 500 days. Might take me goddamn 500 days on the third move. But so that's that.